Imagine waking up to find your car gone, not stolen, but repossessed because of a single missed payment you didn't even know was due. At Cars Financed, we strive to protect you from potential pitfalls. Our team is here to guide you through every step of securing a rent-to-own car. Additionally, our services extend beyond the initial purchase, ensuring that you have support until the car is fully paid off and completely yours. Hi, I'm Grace from Cars Financed. Today, we're exposing the rent-to-own scams costing South Africans thousands in 2026. Rent-to-own sounds like a lifeline for those struggling with credit. You pay monthly and eventually the car is yours. But for many, it's a predatory trap designed to fail. I'm here to help you spot these red flags before you sign. The biggest problem, you aren't actually the owner. You're just a tenant in a car with very few rights. Scammers exploit desperation. They target hardworking people who just need a way to get to work. Because these aren't traditional loans, they often bypass the consumer protections that regular banks must follow. You could end up paying triple the car's actual value only to lose it all at the very end. Remember, in these deals, the company keeps the logbook. You have no equity until the very last cent is paid. The most common tactic is the repossession trap. One day late, they take the car and you lose every cent you've paid. Then come the hidden fees. Scammers add administrative costs that can double your monthly commitment overnight. They might promise maintenance is included, but when the engine fails, they'll find a loophole to make you pay for it. Watch out for prices way above market value. If a 100,000 rand car is being sold for 300,000 rands, it's not a deal, it's a scam. Misleading contracts are everywhere. They use complex jargon to hide the fact that you can never truly own the vehicle. With Cars Financed, you are safe from such contracts. Anything you don't understand will be explained to you even after you take your car. Some even use GPS trackers to remotely disable your car if you're just hours late on a payment. It's terrifying. And then there's the final blow, a massive buyout payment at the end that they know you can't afford. At Cars Finance, there is no buyout fee. After paying for the car, you get your logbook. If there is one thing you remember today, let it be this: the ultimate red flag is a refusal to show you the logbook. Legitimate company will be transparent about when the title transfers. If they avoid the question, walk away. I know how much you need that car for your family, but losing your savings is a far worse outcome. Be patient. Contact Cars Financed regarding rent to own. Always check reviews. Scammers change their names often, but the victim stories are always there if you look. We have been consistent in assisting our clients to become happy owners of rent to own vehicles. Never sign on the spot. Take the contract home. Have a professional or even a knowledgeable friend read it over. Trust your gut. If a deal feels too good to be true, or if you feel pressured, it is almost certainly a scam. You have the power to say no. Don't let a scammer take away your future just for a temporary ride. To recap, watch for inflated prices, check the repossession terms, and never settle for a deal without ownership clarity. Take your time, read every word of the fine print, and always verify the company's reputation before paying anything. Vehicle finance is a big step. By staying informed, you're making sure it's a step toward freedom, not debt. At Cars Financed, we believe everyone deserves a fair chance. Stay safe out there and keep your finances protected. Have you ever encountered a rent-to-own scam? Share your story in the comments. You could save someone else from the same fate. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more tips on navigating car finance in South Africa. Need advice on your specific situation? WhatsApp us directly at the number on your screen. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. I'm Grace from Cars Financed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for our weekly tips. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.